Today we are playing Train CanCan. So let's start. Login bonus. What the heck is the train is this? What the train is this? Passengers need to go down. Wow, what hot! Can I just make hot? Oh, look how what is that? Look, what the heck? There's bound too many Japanese crossings. So let's go. Well, one of the passengers has to go down. Wow, a fire truck! It's gonna be ugly. But what was that mean? What was that mean? I'm gonna tap more faster. Another fire truck? Look, less ammo. A fire truck, was it? Police truck. She's coming. Oh, yes, she's going. That is the no. What the Japanese crossing button? Yes, I should have another hot. No, that's why the bus needs to go. You know why? That's it. The car! The T-Rex! Did I just touch the T-Rex and appear the heart? But we need more. I'm gonna change the map. I'm changing the map into... Whoa! What was that? Was that a passenger of past train? Whoa, did the train pass? You know why we're going to go more fast? The pop-off. Whoa! Hey, whoa! That's an orange. Wait, because let's put it in more volume. You know why the train is too Look, it's going more faster. Look, it's green. That's green. That's green. Wait, because of the train. Why is the animation like this? Oh, the train I got! What is that sound? No, look! We're just stopping. Look us! Stop. Oh, fine. Fight train. Wow, look at the train. Look, the train is too many items. Another train. Wow, what's on the field? Shouldn't be more. Oh, just like easy for us. And now she's terminating the timer. Look, the timer is just terminating. No, the train is gonna disappear. No, what he did. What? Look! The bus has been stopped. What? Wow, another train looks wow. Special train. Notice what is open change to. Yes. Examine. Oh. Wait. No. Why didn't stop the bus? I'm too bored. Since I'm going more faster. Teaching like this. Well, what? Oh, new train, the black train. Whoa, I like this train. I like this train. I like this train. I'm gonna stop this. I'm just too fine. Go sign. What? We're changing the wall. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Oh, that's Eagle. No fault. Wait before I capture this.
La provincia de Córdoba puntualmente en la Loca, porque desde allí también llegan estos talentosísimos artistas que llevan 20 años de carrera en el
CanCan
y de la música, artistas que han sido revelación del festival
Look at my just
de Jesús María y que después de 10 años vuelven para decir presente aquí
I'm gonna
en
create
Atahualpa
anything.
Yupanqui. Señoras, señores, el aplauso bien fuerte es para recibir a Suyai.
Let's make a person, right?
Uno, dos, sí, hola, 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 hola. Sí, hola. Uno, dos, sí, hola, hola. Uno, dos, sí, hola, hola.
I created everything. Wait. That's it. I'm gonna. Let's just change the train. Oh, change the train. I'm installing red. Well, we ain't gonna install red. Oh yes, this one. What the heck is that face? That face. This one. Yes. I'm gonna start with it because I like it. Wow, this plate. The red one. This will be a secret. You know there's more. You know. I'm gonna play number one. I'm playing. What the heck? I mean racing. I will not even. Wait. A snake. Right, guys, we're going to another level.